Twin Take. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hard but still fun Mario Maker level. I'm going to show you how I made one. In other videos I will show you how to make one. This time I'm going to show you a video that I made on my dad's Twitch for him to play, because he does Mario Maker streams, and every Wednesday night he plays his kids level, and so I made one for him and it beat him. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is not the level. Okay, let's load level. Yes, here it is. This one's called Lava Smash Speed Run by me. So I'll load it and tell you why I made it and how. Oh, stop. Hurry! Crash it! I didn't go. Okay, well, I'll show you why I made it. I made it because my dad makes levels and I want to beat him because he's really good. So I was gonna make a speed run. So first, you choose which place I want it to be. Wanted it to be castle, and it's daytime. And I wanted it to be Bowser's castle because I wanted the lava to be able to rise. Sure to go really fast. I didn't choose auto scroll, but I chose. Okay, so there's timer. No, I didn't press any clear condition. This is Mario's trail, so I could see where he jumped. If you could see, I'll show you this. X, I moved it over here. These things, added these things here. So, you know how Mario has to jump up, going down conveyor belts? Well, I put these like this so he can still jump, but the lava's going up. But the only way for him to get through, these smashers will break the things after they work. Here, I'll show you.
Let's go.
See? Break. It doesn't go right. You have to do it the right time or you'll sink in the lava. Oh no. Okay, we're still going. And of course, must give one up. One up, so keep playing. Okay, that part you have to time it, but there is a little cheese. I didn't know that there was cheese here. I'll show you how there's cheese right. So right here, when this thing is up, you can jump through here when these guys are clear out of the way, and jump and make it over. So jump up here, run over all of these guys, and jump over. Then this guy. You wouldn't know he's here when you're playing. See, you can't see him. So you go like, whee! Oh, but then the lava's still there. Lava is still there. And I did add a checkpoint right here. There's pretty much no way to get to it. There is a way to get to it. But when I clear check it, I didn't know that there was cheese, so I had to run through here very at the right time. But also first, I had to go through this map. You have to hurry. And then right here, you might think he's gonna smash you, but no, he isn't. And right now, jump! I jumped too soon. Anyway, and there's this lava. I made it rise. So you press the lava level, this. I made it rise all the way up to here. So, and I made it rise slowly, but it still goes quick. Okay, let's turn off level. And so you go through, and I add the smashies. Smash you at you. Then the one-ups, because you're gonna need the one-ups, because this level is very hard. And you keep going through, and then I add this right there. So when you start and you get right here, you have to go like, ah! And jump over it, but the lava level will be higher. Then I forgot about it. Here, I'm gonna try to get the end on this level so I can show you. You have to jump at the perfect time or the lava will get you. It's pretty weird for it to get you when you're going when it's that slow. Right? Ooh. There. Oh, I jumped too soon. It's start. So it doesn't look like it's fun, but it really is. You'd stuck right there, and then there'd be another way. You have to do like that, do that. To get. Sometimes that doesn't really work. Wait, ah, okay. And then over here, I made it so. Here, let's just put the lava. The lava will not come down. I made it so after the lava goes up, it will come down, but very slowly. Let's just put the lava right here. Let's just put the lava right here. Oh, okay, get off of lava level and up, over. Okay, let's talk back to lava. So let's just say we are right here. Now let's drop lava. So let's say you were right here in the lava, but the lava was up here. So let's pretend that the lava was up here, and you were gonna just jump off like that. Okay? That wouldn't be possible because the lava would be up high like this. Well, let's go back on lava level so I can make. Yes. Back off level 2 over. So you would have to. So you would have to do this to be able to survive right here to be able to wait. You'd have to hurry and do that before that guy touches you. So you would running like this, and then you would jump off the edge, but then you get hit by the lava. Then you get hit by the lava because it'd be up here by the time you got to there. You have to not like that guy smash you. So you have to do when you jump. You have to jump, and then you have to twist, but also not get hit by that. But I made sure to add a checkpoint so people could be mad with the checkpoint. Oh, no. Let's just, or you could do it the cheese way. Get up to here. Ah! But you don't go like that. Oh, no. Okay, good. You get up to here, then you wouldn't be able to forget. You have to go like, yeah. Too late. Let's try that again. Get up here and you. So you get up there like this. For a moment, you go like, yeah. After he got up there, it took him a while, and then he walked over. He went over, like, yeah! But then the lava was fully up. It was above that thing. Then he jumped down. He's like, no! It's full of lava. Really, if you do it the cheese way, you have to wait here for a sec. There's also another way where you do it like this. Then you go like this. Stay on this guy. And you hop off like that onto these guys. Then you hop off, then you hop off onto those guys. And then you wait there because you can see when the lava goes down that, and then you go hopping. That won't work. The lava would be up all the way to here. But here, I'll show you another trick. So let's say you were doing real good, but you were actually going kind of slow. So watch this. I'll show you this. It's a speed run, and also you only have 40 seconds. Kind of crazy to think you could beat this. It's possible. Under 40 seconds. You could be going like that. Like, oh. Ah! Okay, you would just be like right when it's about to cross, you jump. That's a really speedy way. It takes a lot less of time. But also, you could be going, you could be not have very much time, and you'd be like, yes, yes, and then you would run out of time. Then you could run out of time when you're jumping. So you were running, you jumped off it, and it wasn't very full, and you're like, ah! Then you're like, no, I ran the wrong way. Oh no, and I fell in the lava. You go, wait, hard checkpoint, I can still do this. And you would hurry and run to the end. That's the good thing about that checkpoint. If you was already at the bottom, it took so long to get to the end. You ran and then ran the wrong way, and then you fell in the lava, but didn't realize that you hit the lava. You're just, and you're like, yeah! That's such a good thing. And then this. Also, to make it extra hard, I didn't make it so you could be like, yes, I won, thank you. You wouldn't just be up to like, whee! Like, ah! Oh no, not that! And then try to jump over it, but then that hammer goes there. So a good idea would to be is, ooh, yeah. Then, so you would go like, yeah, emoji. Then you jump up here, and then you go like this. What? But then the lava would be turned up like, and you'd be like, no! And then you'd have to restart, but that would make you mad. But then after all those tries, you tried to beat it. Right when you beat it, you would be like, yes! Oh yeah, that was so good. You'd be so happy once you beat it. After it took all those lives and it took all that long. Then when you beat it, you're all finished and you're like, yes! And it's really fun because then you figure out that you can start right there and go like, and do that big of a jump and you're like, oh yeah, that is fun! Then there's an also really fun. You could be like, oh no, and then you can think you're stuck. And then you'd be like, wait a second, I'm not stuck. That smasher? Oh no, but here, that smasher could not see you. Right there, when you're right here, you're like this. That smasher, sometimes that smasher won't see you because you jumped slightly too soon. No! But then you could still go like this. Go back and then jump over that one. Very carefully. Like I could be like this. After that one smashed. Oh, no. Ah. But that one could not smash and then it has to. Whew! Good. Made it. But then those ones could be smashing. What? And you could somehow get to the top, and then you could think it's going that way, and then you stop, and you go, oh, phew, and then you're like, no, oh no, I hit the lava. Come on, I hit the lava. They usually make pretty hard levels, but then they know that when they get to the top, they'll be like, oh yes, this is worth beating, because I will get the lives for it. Worth it. I will get the lives for it. You'll be like, yeah, yes. Yes, I am so glad. Then you could be right here. And the one else would be like this. So close, and you could be like, yeah. And then you time it like this. Perfect. Then you could not hit it. No. Oh, luckily I got those 1-ups. So I can still have time. But after I beat it and I only have 1 life left, you're like, no, now my next level, if I can't beat it, you'll still have 3 more lives. So you'll have 4 lives. But that's another nice thing about this one. So that is the end of this video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.